Sonu Sood has done something about it. You know what I'm trying to say? Vikas Khanna has made a film about something which touched his heart.
And I messaged her and I said, please baat kar sakte hain. And that time when I told her, उस time पे, and you know, which she doesn't know, like Kashi Vishwanath temple होके आया था, फिर मैंने forget the movie. There are flaws in every society. Which society is perfect? Is America perfect? It's constantly work in progress.
Koimoi.com.
Hello Koimoi, this is Shubham Kulkarni, and as they say, it's a lucky morning for me. I'm in conversation with the team The Last Color and Neena ma'am and Vikas. First of all, the film has been to every possible festival on the globe, including the Cannes and the Oscar Best Picture consideration. How does it feel that it's finally releasing in the homeland?
Neena ji,
Vikas.
I think for me it's very emotional because the story was born in India, done in India. Of course, all the writing happened in America. Most of the sound music happened in the US, but it has an Indian soul. So for me, it's like a child returning home. Maybe it's very emotional when it gets to be seen by people in the country and be inspired that everybody has the capability to make a movie.
That's true. For you, Neena ma'am?
Well, this film is very close to my heart. So it's releasing tomorrow in theaters. One thing I'm very happy that people will see it on a big screen. But I'm nervous. I'm not nervous that will people like it or not. I'm sure whosoever goes to see it will like it. I'm a little nervous because of pandemic that I hope more and more people go and see it. And very excited and very nervous.
Considering that you are a known personality, this is a new diaspora for you. But tell me, how easy or difficult was it to shape up The Last Color?
It was a tough choice because it was a short story and then we kept adding the character. I still needed a Sutradhar, somebody who can narrate this change. I wanted that. And you know, I didn't want somebody who's just there on the ghat and writes the story of Neena ji's friendship and all. So I wanted somebody. And in 2015, I was in Varanasi and going towards Allahabad and Kumbh ka Mela khatam ho raha tha. So we met this girl who was a rope walker and she says, "Ke sir, main paise jodi hu, mujhe school jana hai." And I said, that's my Choti. That is the character of the Choti, who will be a rope walker. At the same time, she has a dream to go to school and a friend is going to try his best so that she goes to school. So movie uske upar aadharit thi because Neena ji ka character pehle likha hua tha, par unko jodne wala mujhe laga ek aur depth ke liye character chahiye hoga. 1.5 घंटे के लिए आपको जो बच्चा जोड़ेगा character.
So, was it easy to bring Neena ma'am on board?
Neena ma'am on board, you know, उनके पास मीटिंग तो 1-1.25 घंटे की थी, बट उसके पहले जो मेरी प्रिपरेशन थी ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा थी मेरी, बहुत ज़्यादा. Want to get the team because ये नहीं हो सकता नीना जी को हाँ बुलवा दिया और कोई टीम ही रेडी नहीं हो रही है अभी तक. So I actually got my co-director with me. We had a full production unit, everything in Varanasi with equipment, everything was rented and perfectly organized. मुझे लगा था इनको लाना चाहिए बाद में when she says, because Anupam ji ne kaha tha, she is very instinctive. The moment she feels that something has gravity, she's going to jump into it. She does not calculate too much. She will not be like, अगले महीने discuss करके बताऊंगी ये करूंगी. She's like yes or no. She's so straightforward. तो मेरे को yes or no बहुत डर लगता है उन लोगों से जो बहुत honest होते हैं उनसे डर भी लगता है क्योंकि आप उनको ना manipulate नहीं कर सकते, you know, because ये नहीं हो सकता बाद में सिफारिश डलवा रहा हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था कोई एक ही चांस मिलेगा. Be fully prepared. वो preparation took my life out of me. And I messaged her and I said, please baat kar sakte hain. And that time when I told her, उस time पे, and you know, which she doesn't know, like Kashi Vishwanath temple होके आया था, फिर मैंने phone किया, I was superstitious नहीं है, but I was there in the city and I said, okay, if she comes on board, it is going to validate the movie and the story, and she's going to represent millions of women around the world who have gone through this kind of suppression.
That's true. For Neena ma'am, what was your first reaction to the script, to the story?
He came to my house to narrate it, and by his narration, I was very intrigued and I got very excited about the role and the film. And especially one scene he narrated, and he actually acted it out to me and all that. And I just loved it, and I said yes. There was nothing else.
That's sweet. But my next question is for both of you. Considering the unrest or the unrest we are in right now, as an artist, you as a filmmaker, Vikas, ma'am, you as an actor, does it pull you back or triggers you more to show the flaws of our society, or do the topics that deserve the story?
The movie, there are flaws in every society. Which society is
Yes.
perfect? Is America perfect? It's
not,
constantly work in
yes.
progress.
Yes.
It's the most progressive country, the most innovative. Is it perfect? No, 24 hours they are progressing. Progressive nations means they are alive. It's
Yes.
very important that democracy is alive. These nations are alive. But this movie is not just highlighting the fractures in the society. It's highlighting the success of an educated girl and what change she can bring to the society. It's a celebration of equality. It's a celebration of a tradition which is very inclusive.
That's true. For you, Nina, ma'am?
Uh, I think everybody is touched by something in your life.
Yes.
Like, I get very affected, and I get very worried, and when I see the condition of women in my country, so that touches me. I want to do something about it. So every human being has a thing. I mean, you don't like something, you like something, and then some people want to do something about it. Like Sonu Sood has done something about it. You know what I'm trying to say? Vikas Khanna has made a film about something which touched his heart, which he wanted to talk about. So that's what happens to everybody. And in their own way, they do something about it.
Koimoi.com